I'm gonna do a nice little fun twist on a ponytail.
I was horrible at parting. It used to take me hours.
This is the final look, and as you can see, it's cute, it's fun, it's playful. Hey loves, it's your girl Divine Mix, and summer is just around the corner. And one thing I love about summer is how free and fun it is, but the thing I hate the most is how hot it is. It's the time of the year where I want my hair out my face, but I want to also look as cute as possible. So I'm gonna do a nice little fun twist on a ponytail, so that way we get our hair out the way so we can have some summer fun, but also still be summer cute. So let's get started.
The first thing I'm gonna do is wet my hair. Guys, I used to feel so overwhelmed dealing with my hair in the morning, especially growing up. I did not know how to take care of it, and honestly, one of the easiest ways to get rid of all that overwhelming energy, all that stressful energy, is to spray your hair down. It makes it so much easier to work with. Now that our hair is wet, easy to work with, stress-free, I'm going to section it off. We're going to really just separate the top half from the bottom half of our hair, and I'm doing it this way because it gives me more control without stressing out. It makes it simple, it's easy, and the way I'm parting my hair using majority of the comb gives me that easy horizontal line across the top of my head without the stress of having to make it perfect. From here, we are going into the longest part, and I promise it is not that difficult. This is where we get to have fun. This is where we get to style, kind of, and design the front half of our hair. I'm actually going to mix it up with two different designs. I'm going to do a twist, and I'm going to do a rubber band design. If you know how to braid, you can absolutely just braid for this part. But honestly, it's really just about having fun. And the two options I have here, they're not braided options. And it's very simple to do, a simple twist, or even just parting your hair into 3 sections and putting it all together with rubber bands. Each of these things, it's literally just about bringing the fun to your hairstyle, so that way when you're wearing it, you are having fun in your day. Whether it's summer days, whether it's winter days, you are going to have a good time. And honestly, the more you do your hair, especially with parting your hair, with braiding your hair, or doing a unique design in your hair, the more you do it, the better you get at it. Because I mean, have you guys seen my parts right here? I mean, wait a minute, right? Look at that. Look at that. Look at me go. Before, just last year, I was horrible at parting. It used to take me hours just to get one clean part, and I would just say, you know what, I'm good, I will take the messy part. But now it's so much better, and that's literally just practice, just having fun with it, just like this hairstyle. So I am literally just working with one half, and I'm making sure everything is out the way, because last thing I would want is for a piece of hair from a different section to get caught in a rubber band, because that's just going to be messy. It's just going to tug on your curls, on your hair, and last thing we want is for you or me to have any damage as we're doing our hair. We want this simple, we want this fun, we want this relaxing, and there's just something soothing about doing your own hair and taking your time with it and being creative with it. I think the last time I was this creative was in elementary school, so why not have fun now? And guys, look at this. It's only one half of the top part of our hair done, but it looks so nice. It looks so clean. My hair was drying out by this time on the other side, so I just made sure to wet it a little bit, because why? Wet hair, especially wet curly hair, is so much easier to work with, less tangles, less difficulty, and easier, cleaner partitions, lines, whatever you want to call them. Now you can repeat what I did on the previous side where you started at the bottom and worked your way up to the top of your head, but because I'm having a little fun with it and I'm keeping the alternating pattern going instead of keeping everything symmetrical, I'm just gonna continue off from the top and work my way down with like a twist, rubber band, twist, rubber band. And if you haven't noticed, I did actually change the rubber bands on the twist. I put a little pop of blue. One, I ran out of black rubber bands, but two, I felt like it was a little bit fun to have a little bit of color in there. It's not too much, it's not overwhelming, but it is enough to be like, oh, that's cute. So if you want to add some color in there with some colorful rubber bands, do it, have fun with it. You could even have it match your outfit, and that would be so amazing if you did that. For me right now, I'm keeping just these small little pops of blue to match the blue summer ocean or even the bright blue summer sky. Just anything to make me feel a little bit good. And I do think when you're having fun doing your hair, doing your makeup, doing whatever, it always comes out a lot better. Now, this part was actually the longest part of the hairstyle, and it probably took only 10 minutes. Outside of that, I would just say detangling my hair took the most amount of time, but look how nice it looks, and we are almost done. I'm just gonna add in one last twist over here and then one last little rubber band set, and we are good to go to get to the last part. Of course, guys, if you are doing this and you want to make everything all twist, or you want to make everything all rubber bands, or even all braids, you are absolutely free to do so. This top part of your hair is where you get to play, where you get to have fun, where you get to be a kid again. So why not take advantage of it and just enjoy, have a good time. Just make sure your hair is wet and rubber bands are oiled. Alright guys, we are in the last hurrah, styling our hair. By this time, when you take out the bottom half of your hair where you separated it, it's gonna be dry, and that's okay. We have our handy dandy spray bottle to work with, so just spray your hair. If you want to put a leave-in conditioner, which I did, put it in. If you want to add a little 𝘠𝐻𝐻 gel or any other curly products like I did, just add it in. You can leave your hair out and let it fluff on up as it is, but for me, it's a bit hot today and I do not want my hair to be sticking to the back of my neck, so I'm keeping it up in a ponytail, which you guys can do even if you're running errands. And then if you have to go out later in the end of the night, or if you're going out somewhere you have to look cute, you could just take that ponytail out, shake it up, and you're good to go. Last but not least, and this is a personal preference, fix your edges. I personally feel like when my edges are good, then it ties the whole hairstyle together, but that's just me. If you got no edges, you got no edges, and that's okay. You'll still look good anyways. What do you think?
Okay guys, this is the final look, and as you can see, it's cute, it's fun, it's playful, and it keeps my hair out of my face. I could dress it up, I could dress it down, especially during summertime. So let me know if you try this hairstyle, if there's any other hairstyle you want me to try or to try to figure out. But this is gonna be my cute, fun summer go-to hairstyle. It honestly does not take that long. And if you do not know how to twist your hair, you could do the little parts on your own, or you could just twist it all around, have some fun with it. You could even make it match on both ends. I didn't do that. I made it alternate each and every one. But yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!